Hello traders. Today we are going to talk about how to journal your trades like a professional trader. So you will never become consistently profitable if you don't understand how to journal your trades. And most traders think profitability comes from finding the perfect strategy, which it doesn't. So the traders who improve faster are those who review every single trade they take. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to journal your trades the right way and why it can completely change your trading journey. So let's get into it. So we'll be using Notion as example, and you can also get started for free. So you just go to your browser, go to notion.com and register if you don't have an account, if you are a new user. So now let's continue. So this is the template I use to journal my trades. If you create a new account, you won't have something like this. So for you to get something like this, you need to what? After creating an account and logging in into your notion.com, you will see you go to private, click on the add page. After clicking on the add page, you get something like this. You click on database. Now what we will do is we are going to add a calendar. So you search calendar, then you click on this content calendar. After clicking on content calendar, click on continue, click on done. So you get something like this. So now let's quickly create a journal. So after creating a new template, which we added the calendar template, let's rename this and let's use my journal. All right, let's use my journal. And for us to create the content, right, we need to, let's delete all this. Let's click on move to trash and let's name this PS, and you can also change this icon and use something like this. So after deleting previous tabs, let's add our own manually. So let's add another property. Let's use multi-select. Let's name this session. Let's change this icon to something like this, and let's add properties. Let's add London and New York. So now when you come to session, you can be able to choose either New York session or London session. So we can add more properties by naming this session. Let's add multiple select. Let's rename this. Let's add bias. Let's change this icon and let's add an option, bullish and bearish. So the bullish can be blue. Let's change this to green and the bullish to red, to be the bearish to red. So when you click on this, we can be able to choose either bullish or bearish. So let's add another property. Again, let's choose text. Let's name this as profit or loss. Let's change this icon. Let's click on this. So on this session, you can be able to put your profit or loss. Let's say 1000. So you can choose to edit your journal the way you like, to your own taste. So going back to the calendar, before going back to the calendar, let's add date. Right, so now let's add the date. Let's choose this and today is Monday. going back to our calendar, it won't appear. So for you to make them appear here, you go to the settings, you click on property visibility. If you want your buyers to appear on the calendar, you want your profit and loss to appear on your session, you get to see something like this. So we have gold, bullish, trend bullish, profit or loss is plus 1000, and session is New York. So you can be able to edit this template to your test. So let me tell you something. Trading isn't just about taking trades. It's about learning from every trade. So a journal is your personal coach. It shows you your mistakes, it highlights your strengths, it helps you become more disciplined. And over time, it gives you data you need to become consistently profitable. So if you are serious about becoming a better trader, start journaling every single trade from today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more videos like this.